Hey everybody, my name is Andrew and this is Kite Army. You see those leaves up there? They're brown. See this lawn? It's brown. It's all brown. The only thing that is not brown is this cool Ego mower right here. Check that thing out. This is a brand new mower. Now you might be thinking, Andrew, why are you talking about mowers right now? It's the fall. It's normally snow blower season, leaf blower season. Well, it's because this particular mower right here breaks all the rules and I couldn't wait to share it with you. So let me show you what makes this mower so special. All right, guys, so if you want to know why you're going to be trading your gas mower and getting one of these... Stop the video! Stop, hold. Did someone say gas mower? That's a perfect opportunity to show you this little nugget. Check this guy out. Woo, little smoke there, huh? This guy would be a great candidate for a cordless mower. In fact, if someone knows who he is, I'll give him this Ego. Now let's get back to the action. All right, guys, so if you want to know why you're going to be trading your gas mower and getting one of these, let me show you. It's a secret sauce. And we got to look beneath the deck to the underbelly to find out what's going to make the difference there. So now you know the secret to this mower is dual blades. Now let me give you my take on that. When I first heard dual blades, I was like, please, no, not dual blades. It's not gonna make a difference. With my shavers, it doesn't make a difference, so how will it be different with my mower? Well, it turns out I was dead wrong. When I used this mower on my grass, it looked like carpet. My neighbors are like, what'd you do with that? We tried it on their lawn and got the same result. This thing is amazing. That second blade just comes along and mulches that grass up really tight. It kind of just disappears. So if you're bagging, you get less grass. If you're just mulching, it just disappears. There's no clumps. It's really cool. Anyway, let me show you some video of this guy mowing so you can judge for yourself. All right, guys, so I challenge you to argue with those results. The lawn looks awesome. So there is something in my mind, and I'm sold on this, to this two-bladed system. My lawn has never looked better. What more can I say? Anyway, speaking of two-bladed system, this is actually a three-bladed system. Yeah, you heard that right. This mower actually comes with a third blade. This is the high lift blade. This would be good for mulching and bagging. Everything in my video I did with the high performance blade, the one that was pre-installed, so I can't imagine how good it would have looked like with this. There's also a lot of other features and upgrades they made to this mower. Let's go check them out as well. So for those of you who are lawn obsessed and want that perfect cut, this dual blade is awesome. For the rest of us, we're looking for the whole package, and that's what makes us a premium mower. Ego has made a bunch of upgrades, one of them being the controls for the self-propelled system. Come on in and we'll check it out. Here's the controls for the speed, and here's how you activate it. You just push it. Real simple, you can push either side, and you can adjust the speed on the fly. Whoa! Yeah, made that look easy. Okay, I deserve that. So some of the other improvements they've made to this mower is they've actually changed the position of the battery so you can see the power level as you operate the mower. That's a really nice feature. In addition, they've upgraded the motor on this mower to a brushless motor that will give you about 60 minutes of runtime. So that's more power and more runtime than their mowers that they've made in the past. In addition, over here, just like in the past, they have the deck height adjuster. This will go from 1.5 inches all the way to 4 inches. Really easy. One lever to raise the deck and lower the deck. Really easy. And lastly, one of the nice features they've added to this is they've changed the position of the LED light button to right up here on the handle. I feel like we've gotten so close over the last 2 months. Like, you're part of me. But I need a little space. And I need that space to talk to you guys. So when I first got this mower, I was a little skeptical of the two-blade thing, but once I used it, I saw These engineers at Ego sort of know what they're doing, and when will I trust them? It's time I started trusting them. These guys get it right a lot, and this particular mower right here is dead on. If you're a lawn snob, you want that perfect cut, this is for you. If you want those extra features, this is for you. So I haven't spoken to you yet about the cost of this mower. I understand it's going to be sold two ways. The first way is going to be paired with a 56 volt, 7.5 amp hour battery with a fast charger, and that's going to be right around $700. Now, for those of you who are already in the Ego ecosystem, you're going to really like this. They're actually going to sell this tool bare. I'm not really sure of what the cost is going to be yet, but you can definitely save some money there if you already have the battery. So that's really cool. So I know $700 is a lot of money, and I've been thinking about that since I got this product. And at first I was like, I'm a little uncertain whether I can really justify that expense. But once you consider the quality of the cut, all the features, the fit and finish, and what I mean by that is they use wire looms on all their wires. Some other brands, the wires are just hanging off, how quickly it can compact down and open up. Just there's so much quality here in this product. It's sort of a lifelong investment. So there's been one question on my mind since I've begun this project, and that is this cordless mower as good as any gas mower out there? And I'd like to rephrase that now after using this for so much testing. And the way I'd like to rephrase it is any gas mower as good as this cordless mower? We've been so trained to think comparing cordless to gas, but those days are over, guys. In my opinion, this is the gas killer. If you have a gas mower, it's time to put it on the curb. Consider something like that. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give me a like, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you get all notifications, and we will be back real soon. I'm going to be testing this guy more in the spring. Till then, I'll see you around.